All right, this video in particular is going to be for traders out there who are struggling. Maybe you make a little bit of money and then you lose it and it's very, very frustrating. You feel like quitting. When I first started trading, I was taking losses 3 to 4 or 5 times a day. Honestly, that's even being generous. Now I am a $500,000 funded trader through Apex, and I'm a 5-figure profitable trader as well. But let me tell you guys a little bit about my journey. Like I said, when I first started off, I had literally watched maybe 100+ hours of ICT content. I had read a couple books here and there and thought I was very, very well equipped to start trading. I knew everything about order blocks, I knew fair value gaps, I knew what model I wanted to trade, yet I still was taking losses every single day. And I'm talking multiple times a day. And then there'd be a day where I took a win, but I still take 2 losses. After a couple weeks or months of doing that, then I'd have a day where I have a straight win and no losses. And then the next day I'd probably take another 2 or 3 losses. But then after that, couple weeks or months of doing that, there were days where I'd take 2 wins in a row, and then the rest of the week I'd take a couple losses and lose all the money. And now I'm just break even. Then I stayed break even for probably like at least 6 to 9 months. Every single day I would take a win and then I'd take a loss. Maybe the next day I'd take 2 losses. The day after that I'd have 2 wins, feel on top of the world. Next Monday just to lose it again. That went in and out. And then one day, maybe after about a year and a half, I went on my first winning streak, 2 weeks in a row, straight wins. And then I'm pretty sure you can guess what happened next. 4 weeks of losses. Yeah, almost blew all my fundeds. And then what happened? The next month, straight wins. Couldn't even lose if I tried. And I think you're starting to get the picture here. You see, trading is about an equity curve. Over time, you will recognize that you're losing less and less, and you're having more winning days. It may not feel like that in the moment. It may feel like you're walking in circles, but you have to think, where were you when you first started? You were taking losses every day. Maybe some of you still are. But if you keep your head down, you log your trades every day, you review them at the end of the week, you review the pertinent things that have happened in the chart every day, and you keep at that for years. If you're slowly improving, that means one day you will be profitable consistently. One day you will make $1 million, but you have to keep going and wait. Patience is key, and so is consistency. If I could do it, you can too, gang.